AI is random, and usually it's just plain wrong.
Stop trying to prompt your way out of slop. You have to start acting!
Wait, let's fix what went wrong. Problem 1, align geometry. I wanted to zoom in with a window-to-window transition, but AI keep giving me a messy fade. Well, I fixed it by layering the window video on top of the treehouse, then I match her hands to the curtains and I hand animating the opacity from 0 to 100. Problem 2, the ghost colleague. 3 girls talking in an office, but an extra person glitches through them like a ghost. To fix this, I have to specify the prompt with only 3 people in the video. This usually helps to avoid the extra ghost problem. Problem 3, the finger curse. I want a video of her hand raised up with 8 fingers, but AI just keep giving me different gestures. To fix this, I use Whisk by feeding 2 steps in image generation. First, I created the image with her raised up with all fingers. Then, mouse over to Refine, then enter your prompt to tuck in the index and pinky fingers. Then I use this as first frame for image to video.
It's fixed! If you liked my video, you might want to check this one too.